Hello, my name is Ingrid Katal, and I'm the author of What is Your Honor Code, and also the creator of the Honor Code Studio, a self-development network. Our philosophy is to put yourself first, to take care of yourself emotionally, physically, mentally, to become the real you. Now, why is that important? Because being yourself is so agreed upon, it's so understood, but rarely followed. Why is that? I believe it's because we have fears, we have expectations, and also we have attachments to the outcome. At the Honor Code Studio, we have programs that are comprised of rapid action programs that actually eliminate these fears, these attachments, and these expectations. We work with two organs, the brain and the heart. Now, do the brain and the heart work exactly the same way? Do they function? Do they operate the same? No, they don't. So why is it that when we have life challenges and we try to solve them, we use our brains and our hearts and we think that they're one? They're not. They're two different organs that work differently. And that is why we need to process information and things that happen to us differently, just like the brain and the heart. We teach advanced thinking skills to manage the mind. It's about mind management. We also heal the heart in terms of processing the feelings and the emotions. That is extremely important. We live day to day with experiences. We go through life challenges day by day, and we just seem to shove them under the carpet and hoping one day we don't lift it up and see those little dust bunnies. But those dust bunnies don't become dust bunnies, they become much worse, don't they? So, if we have a proper formula to process our heart, and an entirely different formula to process the brain, then we are actually able to live happier, be more balanced, be more centered. Our life challenges are about losses and changes, nothing more and nothing less. And these particular losses and changes have to do with our growth, with our development. But the problem is we really don't see it that way. We harp on the fact of what's happening to us, what people are saying, what people are doing, and we're concentrating on that. Whereas it's really a vehicle. Our losses and changes are vehicles to help us become more aware so we can see things differently, hear things differently, and take actions in a different way. Losses and changes, they can paralyze us, and we need to be able to process them in the correct manner. Our mother program is the Emotional Boot Camp. It's a 12-hour powerful rapid action program where we process our past. We need to heal from the past of every relationship we've had, every event that we've gone through, every pattern of disturbance, and we need to process it correctly. This 12-hour program, you take the most intense emotional relationship or event that's ever happened to you, and we dissect it using the heart and the brain with the proper formula. A formula that makes a difference, a formula that heals within hours. How is this possible? This is possible because we are like computers. If we put in a disk with a program that is appropriate, it takes out all that nonsense, puts in exactly what we need so we can flow, we can manage, we can grow to levels that are beyond our imagination. It's that simple. Hence, after that, it's about the honor code. An honor code is a contract that you create yourself using your boundaries, your standards, your policies for yourself and the rest of the world. Think of it as you are the company. Would a successful company, run without proper management, proper boundaries, standards, and policy? No. They would not. So why do we? Why don't we have proper boundaries and policies and standards to manage our mind and to heal our hearts? It's exciting, it's transformational, and you know what? We have a right. We have a right to be happy, we have a right to be balanced, and we have a right to be free. We just gotta know what we're doing. So, let me tell you this. You can't afford not to take a program that heals the heart and manages the mind, because you deserve to be the best that you can be. And there's no time to waste. What is your honor code?